Hey! Fuck.
Hey guys, we're here with Ray today. So Ray, just tell us a little bit about yourself and sort of your history and sort of health and fitness and things you've been doing.
Oh, okay. So we're talking about 10 years of dancing, professionally, dance crews and gigs and corporate, all that kind of stuff. And then, you got the jits, the BJJ, did that for years as well. Did a bit of pro wrestling as well for a few years, and then even videography, I did that for a few years. So a bit of this and that. Obviously years of doing all that. Yeah, man, your body
Bashed up.
Yeah, it's all bashed up. I'm all damaged.
What happened with the wrestling? This is news to me. So what's the wrestling background? What did you get up to?
So like pro wrestling?
Yeah.
There's a school in Perth. So I did that and started in 2019 through 2020. Then like COVID hit, and then
were you a good guy, a bad guy, villain?
I was a bad guy.
Yeah.
I was a heel.
What was your name?
A-Ray. Like, we just roll with it. Like, just A-Ray. Yeah. No, I just nagging injuries and a combination of other things going on in my life. So I had to put that on pause.
Yeah.
For a moment. So.
And with your dancing, when did you start doing?
Dancing, even like way back since like high school, but professionally, I'd say like 2012, and then just non-stop until probably like 2020, pretty much. Yeah.
And so you've just stopped it last couple of years?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, and it was like non-stop. So.
And doing dancing, what areas of your body were you noticing almost bashed up?
Definitely like legs, knees, arms, pretty much the whole body.
Top to bottom?
Yeah, top to bottom, we're just smashing out. And obviously you got like crazy dance movements and stuff where we're flicking people in the air. I was the guy that was getting flicked in the air, doing the, all that kind of crazy stuff.
Shit.
Yeah.
So, alright, so it sounds like there's a lot going on. So basically what we'll do some tests and sort of see what's going on, and we'll do some adjustments, okay?
Cool. Sounds good.
All good. So I'll get you, we'll start off with you sitting facing this way, thanks, man. Okay. Just feel. Getting any sort of major neck discomfort at the moment? Jump? Yeah. That side's very jammed up. Okay, and rotate to the left. Any pain there?
No.
Okay, and rotate to the right. Any pain there?
No.
Okay. Alright, what we'll do. I'm going to do a WWE move, right? So just let that go all the way.
Hey! Fuck. I needed that.
Hannah's traumatised in the background.
Shit. Hannah's like, fuck. Whoa.
You're next. Literally in the corner like a rape victim.
Oh yeah, I forgot to add in my little intro. Obviously, I like to party till 6 a.m. I'm just being honest. But
We're all about authenticity, being raw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bernie knows.
And just that left ear, touching left shoulder. Just drop all the way.
Oh my god.
Good morning.
Ooh. I'm gonna be reborn.
You're gonna be what?
Reborn. Yeah.
Oh shit. That's the reborn adjustment.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get you on your back.
Yep.
Face up, just with your knees down there. This is a rebirthing session we're doing today.
Careful with the hair too,
Hair?
I'm joking.
And head up. Head up. Yep. So I'll get you shifting down about 6 inches. More, bit more. Yeah, perfect. And chin up all the way. Alright, so we'll do this wire strap adjustment so you feel basically chin up all the way. So you feel a little bit of pressure there, and I'll go boom, okay? So just let that relax all the way.
Oh! Holy fuck. That's it. That was the one.
That was the strap.
Holy shit.
Do you feel reborn?
Yeah. Brand new A-Ray. Let's go! Hey.
All right. Where'd you? How's that feel now?
That's like a new neck. That's oh shit, yeah.
And if you look at even like we'll go and to the left all the way. Already, look at that.
Holy shit.
Look at that. You're right.
Yeah.
It's completely fluid.
Yeah.
How it moves. All right, mate. I'll get you actually arms up for me. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Hands on my hands. Elbows in. Shifting your bum back. Yeah, that's it. And it's a bit looser in the shoulders. Yep. Elbows in and breathe in and out. We're good?
Yeah, good. We're good, baby.
We're back. We're reborn.
This is what a superstar needs, you know?
Yeah.
Holy.
I reckon you're going to go, your wrestling career is going to take off again.
That's it.
A-Ray's reborn. All right, and just doing like an overhead press, like up, yep, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. Cool. All right, I'll get you on your back again, so face up. All right. Head down there. Yep. Holding that there on your own, hold that there. Yep, I'm going to push.
Yep.
I'm going to push down, so resist pushing up. Yeah, go a bit harder this time. Resist. Yeah. And that left one up. Strong. Really work on this left side and down. Okay, so we'll get you bending that knee.
Yep.
Let's do a hip flexor release. This one will suck a bit, right? And out, and out. And in. And out.
Get it. Yeah. Fuck yeah. I love it.
How much?
A lot. Happy pain. Holy shit.
And in.
Okay.
That's it. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Alright. So just do a little ankle adjustment.
Oi.
Just let that line.
Hey. A little bit of crack.
This one here. Just hold that. Just keep nice and loose in there. Just let that. There we go. Cool. Alright. So, what we'll do. There. Yeah, right there. Breathe in. And out. There we go. Use arms like this. Always in like that. And pushing in. Okay. And pushing out. Just this right side.
Yeah, baby.
And we just go like this.
Yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. Come on. Let's go.
There we go.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go. Alright. Okay?
Woo! Yeah.
We're back.
We're back.
Shit, I thought I lost you there.
This is show business.
Hey. Alright, on your tummy for me, thanks, mate. Face down. Okay, so let's do. And that right leg straight and raising it up. As high as you can go. And down. And left one up. And down. And right one up. Feel a lot easier on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And left one again. Yeah, that's good. Okay. This is just the left pelvis. I'll just drop. Oh. Okay, and we'll get you on your side, facing towards me this way. Left side, just release through there. Just let that one go away. This will be a bit spicy.
Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fuck! Get. Fuck, man! Woo! That's good.
He's back. Just let that all the way.
Oh.
Okay. Other side, thanks, mate. Okay. And stand the bottom. Yeah. So get a little bit more. So. Oh. Cool. And on your back again. And pushing. Strong. Good. This one. Push me. What did you notice compared to before?
Like, fuck, how do I explain it?
Or is
It was just shit before,
Yeah.
and this time I was like,
It's very scientific of you.
let's go.
It's very scientific.
Yeah,
I love it.
yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
It hits the nail.
Yeah.
Yeah, you find it's a lot easier to actually because you're activating properly now.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, we'll go on your tummy. Let's check one more thing. Okay, and that right leg up. And now left one up. Much better. Cool.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
All right, I'll get you sitting up facing the wall. And to the left all the way. To the right. This way just relax. Ooh, cool. There we go. Alright, try with your posture. Cool. Oh.
Hey.
Judo master. There we go. This one's just a nice little present.
Oh. Oh.
It's not too bad. Okay. Little finger thumb so we make sure things are connecting properly. Like that. That one.
Yep.
And strong. No, more like that. No, that one.
Oh, shit.
Strong. Push together. Push together. Push together. Good. Push together. Good. To the left. To the right. Cool. Very good. Woo! Woo! He's back. Friday night. What's our reckon to do?
Oh man, we're all hitting town, getting some drinks. Hey! You shout?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so in terms of, because that's the first time we adjusted you as well,
Yeah.
how was that actual experience similar or different to what you thought when you've sort of seen it in the past?
This was like 5-star gorilla treatment. I felt like this was like superstar. Quality.
Super what?
Superstar.
Superstar.
quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super stuck, okay.
Yeah.
In particular, like even you see straight away with your neck, a couple of those adjustments like straight away, like with the Y strap. What did you think of the Y strap?
That was crazy. That was like obviously I've never done it before, but I've seen it.
Yeah.
That was cool. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's cool. So it's a good like spinal decompression one.
Yeah.
But everything else, even straight away, you can just tell range of motion, things are fine, it's better.
My soul like left my body.
And then it's coming back.
And then it came back. And then voila, new aim.